we are going to make the shapes here. So let's have a shape there. I will use an eraser tool. So let's have the changes. I will add a paint there. So there it is. We are going to make the changes there. So there is a paint. We have to explore the changes. Let's add our different designs.